Okay, so in the last video, I was flagging up to you that you can s- keep yourself, save yourself, and not lose yourself while remaining. And equally, in this video, I'm talking about that you can leave and still be whole, because leaving doesn't mean that you've failed. A lot of people kind of feel like they've lost half of themselves, and it's a very real feeling, but it's not actually true, but it feels true. The leaving and being able to become whole means that you reach the edge of what self-abandonment would cost you, because there is a losing of yourself. And for some people, remaining is not an option, especially where the behavior is dangerous or violent or physically and emotionally and mentally really abusive, and or it's really affecting your children. You may have to make the decision to remaining is no longer a clear choice. So you can leave with grief, for sure, and still be whole. And grief is very real. And you can leave without hatred. You don't have to be hostile. You don't have to be against. You can leave without drama, without a fanfare. You can leave without rubbishing the relationship that you had. You can leave without rewriting history. And sometimes the bravest love is the love that releases and lets go and moves on. So, and saves yourself. So in the next video, stay with me, stay with the playlist, and we'll look at freedom is about reclaiming your nervous system. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.